do you have mentors that focus on buying tax lien properties? I'll field that one. You're watching a segment from a Freedom Mentor live stream. Join us for our next live event. Go to freedommentor.com/live. I put a video together, the pros and cons of tax lien investing. It's been over 10 years, still performs well on YouTube because what I shared is timeless. We're not fans of tax lien investing when you know how to be a creative real estate investor and you know how to flip houses. Because the 10x return that Brian was mentioning, 10,000 to 100,000, is far more applicable when you are working directly with motivated sellers, you're structuring creative deals, and then you are turning around and selling those properties. You see, one of the keys you'll see from that video on the pros and cons of tax lien investing is that if you're spending all of this time evaluating tax lien properties, all that time could have been such better spent on a more productive activity within real estate. Be sure to get your free copy of my best-selling book, How to Be a Real Estate Investor, and that comes with the audiobook version as well. Click the top corner. And so if you're just buying properties for the guaranteed interest rate, unfortunately, you're going to be competing against credit unions and sometimes hedge funds, and they will buy down those rates. And so by the time you try to compete with them, your interest rate's about the same as a savings account. So you will find that there are better uses of your real estate investing time than, for the most part, tax liens. Now, there are instances where you're working with a motivated seller or you know of a property and it's past due on its taxes. And if you really understand the laws of that community, sometimes you can buy the tax liens of that specific property because you knew about the property already. And sometimes that can put you in a better position to control the deal later on, so long as it doesn't get redeemed. But that's going down a deeper road. So short answer, there's better uses of your time than investing in tax lien properties. If it was so good, we would do more of it. It just isn't that good, so we don't do as much. Would you like to be coached by me and my team? Every successful real estate investor has a mentor. Discover how you can be mentored by us through our apprentice program by clicking above.